Here's how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. To invest in crypto using the Coinbase app, click on Trade. Under the Tradable tab, you'll find all the cryptocurrencies you can invest in through Coinbase. Scroll and press on them to see how they're performing and their price, or search for one here. As examples for this video, we'll be buying Bitcoin. To buy Bitcoin, find or search for it, click on Trade, and then Buy BTC to pay with cash. Tap the amount you want to spend, or the three dots to specify how much. An order preview will appear. You can see the Coinbase fees shown here. Tap Buy Now to process. Tap on Portfolio to view the value of your cryptocurrency.